Hey, hi, this is Mind by Surya, and today's topic is about the golden opportunity for all those final and pre final year computer science students. Let's get into the video. Whether this COVID 19 is going to affect the campus placements. See, definitely all the companies will visit for campus recruitment. But the problem is the companies actually who recruit in mass, like TCS, CTS, Wipro, Infosys, are the companies who are the mass recruiters in all South side colleges, right? So what will happen is like considerably they will recruit in smaller numbers. That is what the shortcoming we will face in the campus placements. So eventually what will happen is like the competition will be very high within the students. So get prepared for that. So the next big thing is about how can we use this lockdown period to create a extent to get a job in top MNC companies. So obviously all need to prepare well on topics like aptitude, group discussion and HR round. So these rounds are very important to get to the last round which is technical. So this is the apt time to prepare for these levels. So make use of this time wisely to crack the first two levels in interviews. So the third point is about life is not only on getting placed in top tech companies. Especially parents, right, must know this myth. They think themselves that their son or daughter life will be brighter and they will settle sooner in their life only if they get placed in a top MNC companies. It's a myth. So what most of the students who got placed in the college campus are struggling is about to swap their job to other companies, and the reason behind it is about they are not updated to the technology advancements and not that much competitive in the walk-in drives. So students who didn't got placed in top MNC companies, please don't let your hearts, just prepare for the next interview. So the last and fourth point is about what we should do to land in a good IT job from scratch. So the main things what you have to do is like choose the designation which suits you good, and the triads which you have should match with the designation so you can have a good job satisfaction. So first thing is choosing the designation wisely. So the second thing is after choosing the designation we have to take some time to search and find what are the technologies related to the designation and how to learn those skills required for the designation. And that while choosing the technology what we have to keep in mind is that the technology which you choose should be in a current trend and should have a stable future. So take these two things in mind and start fixing your designation and technology what you're going to learn. I hope that this video is useful to you. Please do subscribe to my channel.